Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, Glasgow. Today I'm going to tell you how to use MyON so that you can access digital resources for your reading pleasure or for studying. The first thing you'll want to do is open up an internet website. Go to MyON.com and you should see your login page. Click on MyON Login and then go to school name and type in Glasgow Middle School. You'll want to pause as you're typing so you can click on Glasgow Middle School in the drop-down menu, then type in your username and your password, and then click sign in. Once you are here, you can search a number of different ways. So click on library. You can browse and see the types of categories. So let's say, for example, you are interested in sports and vehicles. You might click on sports and vehicles. I'm interested in sports. And then you can search the 505 books on different types of sports. So let's say that you find one that you are interested in. You would click read. You could click on info and find out some information about the book. Or you could add it, which would add to your list if you were interested in doing that. So that is how you search for categories. Okay, now if you want to go back, let's say you're done reading about sports, you just click on Browse Books by Category, and then you can click on like different genres of literature. So let's say you are into, scary stories. Then you can scroll down and you can look through the list of scary stories and find one that you might be interested in. Again, when you're ready to go back to searching by the category, just click on Browse Books by Category and you can search that way. If there is something that you are interested in reading about, let's say in history class you are learning about World War II, you're going to click on the search button, type in World War II, click the search, and you will see there are over 1,000 books about World War II. So again, you could scroll down the list and see a book that you would be interested in. And let's say you're interested in U.S. military ships, then you could click on read, and then you would start the book, page over, and then you could read through the book. When you are done with the book, you're going to click exit, and you'll go back to your search screen. So I hope that helps you find some books that you can read for either reading pleasure or study.